Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to lock your Facebook profile. So let's start. First open the Facebook app. Now tap on the three bars on top right corner. Now scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy and go to Settings. Scroll down to the Privacy section and tap on Privacy Settings. Under the Your Activity section, all the settings have to be on Friends. Tap on your future post and try it now to set your future posts to friends only. Just like that, you have to set your stories and highlights to friends also. When you are done, go back. Now tap on Profile Locking and tap on Lock Your Profile. And your profile will be locked. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.